So this is the last video for advanced videos of introduction to Weebly.com of how to add things to your website. And we've already looked at a lot of different ideas. The last couple items were just a few editing techniques. First one, if I want to bring your attention to this corner up here where you could add text if you want to, and this is just because Facebook and Twitter and some other areas, RSS feeds, have been very popular these days, that possibly if your classroom has a Facebook account, you want to go ahead and put the connection into Facebook. And you could just say, like us on... And if you want Facebook, you have Facebook there, but just make sure you put your website address in there to the URL address. If you don't want any of those, just unclick the box. You could also get rid of the text. There we go. Get rid of the text and just publish, and that will also then disappear. So you don't have to have that information on there. This will always show that if you want to put it. Another idea is if you want to change this image picture. Maybe you didn't like the roller coaster or Ferris wheel, whatever this is, but you like how the setup is all together. If you don't want to change the entire design option, but you like the background setup, but you want to use your own picture, just do edit image, and you could do upload from your computer. Now again, this is where I would suggest that you already have a file set up with the item that you would like to use, just as we did before. And I'm just going to pick one that we have previously used. Actually, I'll just change something different. I created this out of something different. I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And it's saying it's too large. So let's do a different one here. See, even when you're prepared, sometimes things happen, and that's okay. You just know for next time. I just want to be able to see the pictures here. All right, we'll try this one. There we go. And I created this by using a website even. So creating Weebly web page here. You could add your own picture. You could use an internet site such as Wordle to create a funky title, or you could just add different pictures. You could change the opacity. You could change the fade or the effects. You could add text. If I want to also write here saying, bring this up a little bit, example for heading. As you could see, you have so many options of what you would like to do. And then you press save. Now up here in the save option, you could do all the different pages that you would like. You could save only to this particular page, or you could do selected pages. Maybe you want to do just your survey, since this was under the additional ideas, as well as the last page. It will take care of it, everything that has this type of example. So when you have your pages, this is laid out with this type of example. All the ones that were laid with the second, third, or fourth will not change because they were not of that setting. It will have the original page. So going back, when you publish, you'll notice, now I'm into the page, this has the normal picture, but when I go to additional ideas, that's where my new page. And this is just great because it makes your website even more yours and unique. It's not so standard anymore. And finally, your text. This is just the title that we called it when we were creating our website. You could turn that off and it's no longer there. If you hover back around, finding it, it will always come back, and you could add that if you'd like. Let's see here. Another item, additional ideas. If you want to have a page that maybe your class would like to have a blog, go ahead and add blog, and you'll see how this sets up. Click on that. We'll click on blog. And then here you go. This is set up now for a blog. You could add a new post, the comments, everything is already there. What I would suggest writing over here, I always like to add instructions, but it depends on how you use your blog and what you would like to incorporate. If you want to do it from the standard blog way and indicate what it says here for your author, please do so. If you want to have this for comments from your class, you might want to have instructions added. And this will just continue on. You could feel free to edit accordingly and see what you would like to include or not include, and everything can be added in. There are so many different elements that can be added, and I would encourage you to just play around further with Weebly, play around with the different elements, check out the examples that are presented in the model form. You could check on waynesburgquizzing.weebly.com. That one is a very illustrated website. There's also several others that have been created that you could play around for examples. The options are endless, and I think it would be great to have you create your website, whether it's for school or personal use. There are just so many ideas that you could do, and it's simple, it's free. Finally, just one down here, I wanted to show you also, you could also remove the advertisement that says created with Weebly. That's even nice because it's something that you could remove, but just remember, it is one if you purchase it. So you don't have to have the advertisement if you purchase it, but if you have it free, who cares? Share the word, spread the opportunity to others. That's all we have. Enjoy, and I hope your website is successful. Goodbye.